Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Your mathematics teacher, Miss Samara, is here to welcome you all in mathematics class of grade 4. I hope, my dear students, you all are fine and safe. Dear students, today we are going to learn about division word problems. As in the previous lessons we had done about the division questions, that how we can solve the division sums when dividend and divisor is given. And we have done that how we can check our question by multiplication. So now we are going to learn about the word problems. My dear students, the objectives of our today's lesson are: after this lesson, we shall be able to identify key division terms in word problems, as every word problem has some key terms in the question from where we can judge that how to solve the question. We shall be able to help solve long division problems. I hope, dear students, you all are ready to learn about the word problems of division. So let us recall our memory. What is the division? Yes, dear students, division is splitting into equal parts or groups. It is the result of fair sharing. We use this symbol or sometimes the oblique symbol to mean divide. For example, 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4, or 12 oblique 3 is equals to 4. They both have the same meaning. In both the ways, we are going to divide 12 by 3. Dear students, now the most important thing, that what is the word problem? Anybody knows about it? Yes, a word problem is a mathematical exercise, or you can say it's a mathematical question where some information on the problem or question is presented in ordinary or simple language rather than in mathematical expression. This means that word problem is also a question, but this type of question is given in the form of a sentence or in any language rather than the mathematical expressions. My dear students, as we know that we have some steps to solve some questions. So here are the steps that we can follow to solve the word problems. So if you memorize these steps, you can never make any mistake to solve the division word problems or any type of word problems. The first step is to understand the problem. This means that we have to read the question very carefully and we have to understand about the question. The second step is to make a plan. So to make a plan means that now we have to decide that how to solve a word problem. As we all know that word problem can be of any operation. So, by using some clues or keywords, we can make a plan that how to solve a problem. The third step is to carry out a plan. After making a plan, now we have to solve the question. And my dear students, as the question is given in the form of a sentence, so we have to solve it in the form of a sentence. That's why the description or the statement is very much important in solving the word problems. And the last step is to check our answer. We can check our answer of division problem by multiplying, and in this way we can check every operation by its inverse operation. My dear students, here are some words and clues that will help you to solve the word problems related to division. So if you find the question, in the question the word share, each, quotient, dividend, same, group, equally, it means the problem or the question is about division. So all these words are used for the division, and these words will be given in the word problems of division. Let's learn the division word problems by using these examples. Here is the question. On one shelf in the library, if 15 books can be kept, how many shelves are needed for 755 books? My dear students, as I told you that this is the word problem, so statement is very much important and you have to write the statement in this way. Now you can use the clue words. So here is one more trick, that whenever we have given the smaller thing and we are going to find the bigger thing, like here on one shelf in library 15 books can be kept. So we have to find out that how we can put 755 books. So it means we have to do division. You can see that we have to put the bigger number, the dividend, inside the tent and divisor outside the tent. And I hope you all can do the division in this way. Now here you can see that the quotient is 50 and the remainder is 5. It means we need 50 shelves, but we need one more shelf for leftover books that are remainder. So it means we need 51 shelves for 755 books. Let's take one more example. 3825 centimeter of ribbon has to be cut into pieces, each measuring 35 centimeter. How many pieces can be cut and how much ribbon will be left over? So the first step is to read the question. The second step is to make a plan. So here the word each is used. It means we have to divide. Now carry out the plan. Write down the statement. As we are writing here, make the working column. Put the dividend inside the tent, because here the dividend is 3825 and divisor is 35. Now we have to solve the division question. 35 times 1 is 35. 8 minus 5 is 3 and 2 will come down. 32 is smaller than 35, so we have to put 0 in the quotient because we cannot bring two digits together down. Now bring down number 5. Now think that which number will be multiplied by 35 to get 325. Dear students, you can write down the table of 35 in the working column as well. So as you can see that the nearest number we can get is 315. And here we have some leftover number, that is 10. The quotient is 109 and the remainder is 10. So it means that 109 pieces but 10 centimeter ribbon is left. So let's take one more example. First, understand the question and then make a plan. So here also you can see the word each is used. That tells us that we have to divide. Now carry out the plan, dear students. How can we solve this question? How can we find the cartons in each truck? By division. Yes. Now make the working column. Put 864 inside the tent and 36 outside the tent because it's a divisor. 36 times 2 is 72. Now we have to subtract. Now we have to bring down number 4. Now think which number is multiplied by 36 to get 144, or we have to write the nearest number. 36 times 4 is equals to 144. So here no number is left over. So it means quotient is 24 and remainder is 0. Now what will be the answer? Yes, 24 cartons are loaded in each truck. I hope, my dear students, you understood about the word problems and now you can solve every type of word problem. Let's summarize our lesson. A word problem is a mathematical exercise where some information on the problem is presented in some language rather than a mathematical expression. Follow the steps to solve the division problems. Always remember the clue words that are used in division word problems like share, each, quotient, dividend, same, group, equally, etc. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Thank you, my dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.